So balikan natin, no, yung parang journey nyo from before you were in PBB. Kasi before kayo nasa PBB, you were an influencer, right? You were rising star, nasa ano ka, you're in YouTube. So what was your dreams noon? Kilalanin natin mga ka-vibes, si Mika Salamanca and Brent Manalo before sila pumasok sa PBB, ang dreams nila. Ayan.
Ako, before din ako mag-YouTube talaga, ang gusto ko talagang gawin is music career talaga. Yun talaga yung gusto ko talagang i-take. Yun talaga, focus ko before music, then
Yes.
transition lang ako into vlogging kasi parang mas nagustuhan yun ng mga tao before.
Yes.
And then, pinasok ko yung mainstream.
Were you thinking na you wanted to be a composer or a singer talaga?
I wanna be a singer-composer.
Ah, talaga?
Oo.
Oh,
Kasi
that's nice.
I write my music din.
Yes. And alam ko you also are starred in your own not your own but in music videos as the actor naman.
Yes po.
So parang before PBB collab, naisip mo na ba na parang it would be really nice to start acting as well? Ganon.
Before po ako pumasok ng PBB, nag-start din po ako ng mainstream sa Sparkle din po.
Okay. So parang you thought na you were thinking na this is your way sa Sparkle as an actor first, and then that's when you can chase your music career
Yes.
at the same time. Ayan, mga ka-vibes. So that's, yan, kilalanin natin si Mika. Kay Brent muna tayo, mga ka-vibes. Ayan, kinakabahan na ako kasi sobrang, what you call that, nasa starstruck ako sa beauty ni Mika. Ayan. So for you, Brent, before ka nag ABS, you were also a model, an influencer.
Yes po.
So ano yung mga dreams mo before PBB?
Honestly, nung nag-aaral pa ako kasi before nung college ako, gusto ko talaga magtrabaho sa office. Alam mo mga ganun yung may mga boss ako, tapos napopromote ako. Ganun yung mindset ko before. But then when I graduated and yung opportunity na yun, yung mag-model for brands na I only dreamt of working with, parang nagtuloy-tuloy siya. Tapos gradually, nagustuhan ko siya. So yun lang pangarap ko talaga, maging model for like big brands.
Yeah.
Yung acting, never ko siya naisip na magugustuhan ko kasi kumbaga awkward ko pag sasalita.
Yes.
Hindi ako sanay na pakilala yung kung sino. Kasi with modeling, more on posing ka lang, di ba? Mukha mo lang.
So you started as a model talaga?
Opo.
So paano ka nakilala ng EBS with your modeling?
Nag-viral kasi yung grad photo ko nung college.
Oo.
Tawag po ako sa Star Magic to
Yes.
audition. Tapos yun, nag-start na ako mag-workshop after that.
So dun mo na isipan na parang acting is like a path that you want to take?
Not even then. Like, nung
Yeah.
time na yun, parang di ko lang siguro ayaw lang siguro maghindi sa mga opportunities.
Yes.
Pero nung nag-start na ako magkaroon ng acting projects, doon ko siya mas minahal.
Oo.
Opo.
Anong experience niyo both before PBB when you would start to audition for films? Kasi when you were with Sparkle, parang nag-start ka na mag-audition, di ba? So parang ayan na meron ng line-up, marami ka nang nagagawa with Bubble Gang and all. So how was the audition process dati? Ayan.
Syempre po, before, ako din naman sa sarili ko, nahihiya ako kasi syempre wala pa
Yes.
namang experience, ganyan. And yung lagi nabibigay sa akin na role is yung role ko na din in real life, which is vlogger, ganyan.
Okay.
Yeah, broadcaster.
So very natural.
Oo, ganun yung mga binibigay sa akin na roles. And para sa akin, that's okay kasi parang starting pa lang.
Yes.
And talagang dun mo ma-practice.
Mm-mm. So anong may nakikita ka bang like when the time that you were starting as an artist and when you were given a vlogger role, did you think na talagang dun mo mapapasok yung pagka-vlogger mo? In a sense na mata-typecast ka na, you know that? Oo.
Yeah. Actually, before, sabi ko, shucks, baka ma-typecast ako na parang,
As
since
the-
lahat ng roles ko, gano'n, ulit-ulit.
Yes.
Sabi ko, baka ganito nila yung maging role ko for life, parang ganyan. Pero syempre, kaya din ako nag-take ng mga workshop nun before and hindi, nag-stop ako mag-accept nun ng roles. Kaya sabi ko,
Yes.
para like, mas mabigay ko sa tao yung
naman.
better. Oo.
So nag-workshop ka rin?
Yes, and even
Yes.
sila, syempre makikita ng management na parang at least nagpupush ka.
Oo, correct.